So I wanted to show you all another way that you can actually apply the last coat TLC to the surface. You can wash the car with soap and water and get all the contaminants off, and then you can still leave the surface wet like you see here, and you could either apply it with a foam cannon and blast it all over and then blast it back off with water, or you can simply take your sprayer and spray it onto the wet surface. So you did everything with your wet side, now you got a dry side. And you'll take the dry side and you'll just buff it to a nice high gloss finish. And you can see how amazing that came out. So that quick and easy, don't even need to dry the vehicle, you can just surely spray it right on. So thank you all for watching, hope that helps y'all. Have a great day.